What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is midweek race day. We're headed up to North Wilkesboro Speedway today for the Cars Tour race to film another episode of the R&S Rewind. But as I have been doing, I want to give you the behind-the-scenes type stuff where we travel up there. We'll have the R&S Rewind out later this week with all the practice, qualifying, and racing from tonight at North Wilkesboro. Looks like there's some rain in the area. But I like to do these Kicking Asphalt style ones to show the family aspect of it. Mama Judy is off for like the first time in 3 years, to be able to go with us. So should be a good time. It's a little past 5:30 in the morning. It's about 4.5 hours up to North Wilkesboro. So with all that said, yes, we're going to be going street stock racing soon. It'll be street stock summer for a lot of the people we going back. Bittersweet's going back racing. But all this other stuff I've been doing helps pay for this stuff. So we're going to continue doing that stuff, but street stock summer is coming. So with all that said, let's go ahead, jump in Mama Judy's car, and let's a little bit of that 85 on 85. Green, 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 Mama Judy, don't run him over. Ready to go to Wilkesboro just a little bit too quick.
No, I have to be careful. Got to slow down.
Yeah, old speed demon over here.
I'm used to hitting the interstate and going to work at this time of the morning.
Yeah, you used to being at work already this time of the morning.
I'm used
Everybody else going to work. We're going to the racetrack for the 24 hours of Wilkesboro. We're going to hang us a right here, wake all these truckers up that's sleeping, grab us a gear and get gone in Mama Judy Speed Racer car, clean the windshield off, grab us a gear and get gone. Talking about a little bit of that 85 on 85 all the way to Wilkes County.
95 on 85.
95 on 85. We're going to hurry up. That way we can get wet all day at the racetrack.
No, we not. It's not going to rain. I hope not anyway.
Is it going to rain?
It's gonna pour all friggin' day long, I guarantee.
You're going to shake hands and fight. See if you can find Dylan Wilson. He got some moonshine.
I want to see the baby. I don't care about moonshine. I just want to see the baby.
Well, we'll get to all that, but right now we go 85. Watch the windshield, Mama. Watch the windshield, Mama Judy. Put some heat on it. We're going to grab a gear, get it defrosted. Talking about 85 on 85. Made a quick little trip up, exit 164 on 85. I'll tell you a million times, little hidden BP spot. We get all the Pike Power guys out of the way. We get in there and get us a bit of them sausage, egg, and heaven cat heads. Got them good looking Star Tour shirts on this morning rolling to Wilkesboro. You check your mama out. Judy hadn't seen the cat head place in here. What'd you get, Mama?
Gravy and biscuit. Yes, I'm going to eat going up the road.
You look like a little kid all over again.
I was excited. You don't get this in convenience stores.
There they come with their goodness. Let's see if she's gonna let us eat in her car, if we're gonna have to eat in the parking lot or not. You gonna let us eat in the car?
Yes, I'm going to let you eat my car. Because I'm going to eat my car.
Y'all watch your crumbs, Fred. How's that gravy and biscuit, Mama?
It's good. It's very good.
Show everybody what they got there.
Look what I have for breakfast.
Yeah. Fred,
This
what
is
you
a
got back
cat-head
there?
Biscuit. Cat-head biscuit with
You
gravy.
got the ham back there. Got the sausage
His
and
ham
gravy.
was good too. I tasted a bite.
You done stole a bite of it.
Yeah.
You gonna let us eat in the car?
Yes, I sure am. Cause I'm going to eat going up the road myself.
At that rate, there ain't gonna be nothing left. You keep eating like that.
Alright.
There you go, Mama.
Thank
Take
you
that
for my
napkin.
Because I'm going to need it.
You're gonna be dirty on your Star Tour shirt getting into Wilkesboro.
No, I'm not. Look, and we have a mud pie for dessert too.
Upside down.
I'm sorry.
I ain't never known what a mud pie was. I heard people talk about them. We about to try them though. Fred, you know what a mud pie was?
Like a chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip, he said.
Well, not chocolate.
All right, back on 85, grabbing a gear.
Like a chocolate.
Cat head down. We have made it up here to the wet con over North Carolina, but we just hopped off the interstate. About to cut through the mountains now to roll over to Wilkesboro, so we should be there in not too long. Now we're traveling down through the back roads, rolling over to Wilkesboro. Look at that damn there, Fred.
Yeah.
That ain't something you see every day.
Little rocks sticking up out of the water.
How about that? Going through these little towns, look at the big McDonald's sign. They probably still got a playground there. We gotta take a right here, Mama. Wilkesboro, this away. There you go, hang one of them famous Mama Judy's. Woo! That might have been an old burger joint back in the day. Now, Japanese restaurant. Don't you just love going through all these little old towns? I'm glad when you driving and I can look and see them.
Exactly. I like when I drive too.
95% of the time I'm pulling race car trailer or whatever we're pulling.
I can't pull the trailer. I can't pull nothing else.
You see that, Fred? Fred on the look for the antique cars up through here. Find a little mom and pop diner, little 5 and dimes down through here. Bunch of trailer parks. Getting close to the mountains. We can see them off in the distance. Wilkes County ain't too far away. Mighty pretty countryside out through here. You reckon that's where they go, Mama? The only place they got to go for the store?
Probably.
Not much out through here.
It's country.
Fences out through here. Old chicken houses, new chicken houses.
I like country.
5 minutes away from the racetrack, and we found the rain. Or the raindrops starting to pop a windshield right outside Wilkes County High School. Maybe it'll hold off. Got the chicken truck up there where all them 50-piece Wendy's nuggets is coming from. You seen that, Mom? You can get a 50-piece at Wendy's now for $10.
No, I didn't.
They raised the bar. McDonald's said 40-piece, $12. Wendy said, hold my chicken. Yeah, finally made it to the exit. North Wilkesboro Speedway. Turn right here on 421. Haven't been here since we brought Bittersweet. Well, yeah. Somebody might have to take a 10-200 right there when they come into the race. It's all right this way. Across from Holly Mountain Farm. Sneak in the back door over here at the North Wilkesboro Speedway game room. I don't think we can stop there and play Galaga no more. You reckon they cancel church on Sunday because of the crowd coming?
Probably not.
They might welcome more people.
Yeah, that's the best time to go.
Hit there to the Central Baptist Church. And there it is, everybody. The North Wilkesboro Speedway. Rooted here.
Where'd I go?
Just stay straight, because they ain't gonna let us in there. Got the concert set up out here. A lot bigger than it was last time we was here racing Bittersweet. That's us, back gate and the pit entrance.
Holy 40 Johns.
There we go. And here's the back gate.
Says 50.
Well, we have made it here. Found us a parking spot. Don't know if Mama's car will be towed or not when we get back, but hell, ain't no signs up or nothing. Know a few people parked over there. We didn't see no parking permit on theirs. Some of the drivers, sleepers, I guess you'd call them, or tour buses, if you will. They're like they Luke Combs. If you ain't never been to North Wilkesboro Speedway, it is literally right beside the interstate, right beside I-40. What do you think, Fred? Too much damn hassle, ain't it?
Haven't got in there yet.
Already. What'd you bring you? Got some ponchos. Ready to tell some stories and get wet today? Rather be at work?
Don't pay me to get wet.
I went ahead and got signed in for the day. A little bit of a cluster like it always is here at Wilkesboro. So many people, such a big place. Trying to bring all the rednecks to come to the big place. Absolutely, man. They finally gonna let us go in now.
Enjoy.
Practice is over with, so it's a 6-hour downtime. We'll be able to get plenty of content, talk to folks. Aaron and Maverick's almost here. Get you a piece with Maverick. Looks a little different than the last time you was here, Fred. What do you think about it, Mom?
It's huge.
Hey, they let you go up to Victory Lane?
Hey, I'm pretty cool. I go where I want to go, but they tell me I can't.
Okay, badass. I'm gonna try to walk up there then.
There's 3 other people.
You wanna escort me up there in case anybody says anything? Got that good looking Star Tour shirt on. Making sure all their push brooms work, I reckon. Everybody getting ready. Niche Motorsports. I guess that's what makes them money during the week. New spotter stand up there in turn 4. Hadn't got to talk to all my spotter buddies today, but from what I read on Twitter, they really enjoy it up there. Probably got them a good bird's eye seat. Hanging out over here in the victory lane. They'll take the elevator up here. Guess somebody get them some sour mash whiskey if they win the Pro Late model race. It's always been historic that the winner of the North Wilkesboro race car comes up on the elevator. Not exactly sure if that's still the case, just by looking at the fence. That is indeed still the case. There's a lock for the fence, and they'll bring it up on that elevator there. Car, crew, and all. What a fit on there. Rest of them come up the steps right there. Media stand right there. Even though it's a cup track, it's still got some 1980 ways to it. They got the Pro Late models parked over there and late model stocks parked over there. I think I got 45 late model stocks. I think it was 34 Pro Late models. Get you a look coming off turn 2 down the back stretch into turn 3. It's fresh asphalt. All the campers tracks. I had a heck of a time with the Pit Wall Podcast boys over there. My liver still got scars on it from that night when we run top 5 in Bittersweet here. I used the crap out of that curve that night to get that thing to turn. Old Camaro didn't want to turn. Had to use the curve. Let's go out here and grab Maverick and Miss Erin. Maverick! What was that, Lego car? Yeah. You putting it together? By yourself or Mama helping you? She did the most work? She the chassis builder? What it look like, Maverick?
Hold it up.
Let's see. Whoa, man, you done that all by yourself. No, you didn't. Your mama helped you. Whoa, man. Ow, no. He said, ow, that hurt.
That hurt. What did it hurt? I'm not throwing them.
Put them on, cool man.
Oh, we gotta do the hat or the glasses.
Yeah, make them fit. And glasses bigger than your head.
That's the first.
Still got a little bit of water out here for qualifying start. Got the Pro Late models lined up, qualify first.
Yep.
Maybe the skies will hold together. Country watching. Spider-Man.
Hold it, hold it,
Oh boy.
I went to the sugar shack.
I need soda.
You need sugar?
Are you videoing me?
Oh, you get Fred?
I know.
Oh, he wants Fred.
You get
We're gonna
Fred?
ask Fred.
What you want to ask me?
Take you to Victory Lane.
Yeah.
You walk with him to Victory Lane?
Yeah.
Mav, you're not gonna eat it? Anything I like?
No, you want some chips?
You don't want none of this, Mav?
You want to try a chip with cheese on it?
Don't look good, does it? Hey, it looked good for us. The only thing we had to eat today. Well, other than the cat head this morning.
Chase is gonna qualify first.
How much Gatorade you gonna drink? Supper time for qualifying. Look coming here with his flip cup champion. Or flip bottle. Bottle flip. Whatever it's called.
Oh, so
Didn't land, man. Fred, you called it. You said as soon as the first car rolls off, it'll start raining. And the drizzle has picked up.
Oh?
What are you working on, man? Is that your rain dance? Rain, rain, go away? You having fun in the rain? You want to watch yourself? Hey, go under the door, buddy.
Let me get it for you.
Lane Riggs, the plumber. Craftsman Truck Series driver on weekends. Ball getter on weekdays. Yeah, success. Tell him thank you, Maverick.
Man of the community.
Yeah. Tell him thank you. Maverick's over here playing with Aaron in the rain, and Hettinger and Minnie Tyrell having a good football toss over here. Grabbed by Hettinger, fires back off. He fired it off. Maverick having a great time playing with the monster trucks. Well, we're hearing as soon as it rains again, they're calling it. There's no chance racing tomorrow as the NASCAR trucks and Cup Series are coming in, but they're going to try it one more time, so it does not look that good over there. So they got tracks and jet dryers, and they're going to try to dry it one more time. And the skies have opened again. They hold true to the word we keep hearing. This will end the North Wilkesboro Cars Tour weekend. Papa Willie, Grady, Papa Willie.
Shit, I'll bust my ass. I'm gonna be mad. They have it.
And just like that, that will finish the night off at the North Wilkesboro Speedway. Fred, I think we can go home.
Alright, turn into a dog one.
Well, it ended up raining out, so we're gonna finish the, see you, buddy. Well, do it. Headed back to Georgia. Got, I think, 4 cars qualifying in. Now we headed back to Georgia. Me, Fred, Mama Judy. So, only 4.5 hour drive. We'll be home by about 1:30. So, other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back racing next weekend at Tri-County for the RNS Rewind. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Kicking asphalt. Checking out. Sad as hell. But it happens. But like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.